Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing alright. And today we're going to talk about a Jeep legal system. But let me introduce myself as I'm the one who presenting this topic. My name is Elhavia Salsabila Fatwa, and just let's go to the next slide. The first one, we got the content. Before we going to the next content, this is some list that we're going to talk about. The first one, we got what is Egypt legal system. The second one, we got the executive power. The third one, we got the legislative power. And the last one, we got the judicial authority. So, what is Egypt legal system? So basically, Egyptian law system were combination between two things. The first one is Islamic law, and the second one is Napoleonic Code, which was introduced by Napoleon Bonaparte when he was doing occupation in Egypt since 1789. This made Egyptian law now had a several system to fit Egyptian needs. uh, Egypt's supreme law is written constitution. So we can conclude that Egyptian was considered as a civil law system. The most important legislation is the Egyptian Civil Code, or you can call it ECC of 1948. Most of ECC was based by French civil law, but there are exceptions for a personal status, which is the personal status using Islamic law and other European codes. We're still in what is Egypt legal system, but it talk about court. So courts are morally and practically expected to follow the principle and decision of the Court of Cassation in civil, commercial, and criminal matters, and the Supreme Administrative Court in administrative law and other public law matters. Next is the executive power. The president of Egypt is the head of state, commander in chief of the military, and head of the executive branch, or Egypt's cabinet, and also chairs the Supreme Council of Judicial Authorities. In Egypt, president have 6 years to serve from the day that the predecessor and his position of the presidential. So this is our requirement to be candidate of Egypt president. The first one must be an Egyptian national. The second one, born to Egyptian parent, and neither his or her parent nor his her spouse may have held another citizenship. The third one is must enjoy both political right. And fourth, or the last one, his or her age should not be less than 40 calendar years on the day of registration as candidate. The outline political. So we have two points here. The first one, if government fail to gain majority confidence within 30 days, it will lead to the president appointing a new prime minister from the majority party or coalition. If the second government also fail within 30 days, new elections are called within 60 days. And the point number two is in majority party government, the president in consultation with the prime minister select the key minister for defense, interior, foreign affairs, and justice. This process underscored the importance of majority support, democratic accountability, and a structured approach to government formation. And next is the legislative power. Under the 2014 Constitution, the Parliament contained only one chamber, which is the House of Representatives. The Shura Council 1980 was abolished, but later on in the 2019 constitutional amendment, the second chamber R of Parliament was resurrected under the name of House of Senate that said the parliament now consists of two chambers. The first one is the House of Representatives, and the second one, the House of Senate. This are some authoritative of legislative. The first one has the power to enact law. The second one, approve general policies of the state. The third one is approve the general plan for economic and social development and the general budget of the state, supervise the work of the government. The fourth one, ratify international convention. And the last one is to impeach the president of the republic or replace the government and its prime, and to vote of no confidence. And this is the last topic, which is the judicial authority. It has 2 points. The first one was a normal judiciary, and the second one is administrative judiciary, who also had a 3 point. The first one, normal judiciary. The judiciary responsible for settling disputes between parties in normal conditions, such a conflict between two citizens, murder cases, or theft. And the second one is administrative judiciary. It has 3 points. The first one, Supreme Administrative Court. It was headed by the head of the Council of State. This court holds final authority, and the structure include the Court of Administrative Judiciary, handling objection to administrative decision, and administrative court, also resolving conflict not reaching the administrative judiciary level. The second one, military judiciary, a collaboration between the Supreme Military Court and the Central Military Court, focusing on crime within military camps and any harm to military personnel or equipment. And the last one was public prosecution. It was responsible for prosecuting and investigating criminal cases. The head is appointed by the Supreme Council of the Judiciary. So that's it about Egyptian legal system. And I'm really sorry if mine is not so good because I'm still learning. So thank you.